welcome to Nail Mansion, USA! The bonding that you are going to have this week is going to be incredible. Let it happen naturally. Welcome to Nail Mansion, USA!
It's difficult to know what to expect because Kirsty has a way of always putting something in the works that will surprise you.
I'm feeling hazy. Can you tell you are amazing? Got me under your spell, my heart is racing. I got caught in your way. I hope we'll never ever switch.
Kirsty will always find out a way to teach new things and make everything just like out of ordinary.
Kirsty doesn't do the same. She will always elevate in everything that she does.
I think I'm going to have so much to take with me back to Finland.
It's definitely going to be an adventure. I'm super excited to meet all the gals. I've been chit-chatting with them online, getting to know them, and the skill set that is here is literally overwhelming.
The UK was my first time flying out of the country. It was an amazing time.
Yes, those videos were crazy. It looked like so much fun, so we definitely wanted to partake in it over here in the US.
It's Kirsty's energy that runs it, and nothing bad can come out of that.
You keep smiling, I'm dying on the floor. I feel like I know you, but I wanna know.
The first Nail Mansion in the UK was just outstanding, and that's what I'm expecting from this one as well. And obviously it's going to be on steroids because it's in America.
I just know that it's going to be great fun. This is the first USA Nail Mansion, so it's definitely going to be a new experience. So far, I have been shocked, surprised, overwhelmed, hugged until I literally can't hug anymore.
Oh, and you're in my room this year.
So freaking fabulous. I love it.
When you go down the slide, watch your knees. It went. Phew.
I've been waiting so long for this moment. Oh my God, it's finally happening. I knew it.
I can't believe that we're actually in America doing this. It's incredible. Firstly, welcome to Nail Mansion, USA. What we call the OG Nail Mansion girls know that this is just so special. It really is. This is a shared space, so please treat it with respect and care. Emergency exits are located. And I just run. Speed limit is 25 miles an hour. No parking in the construction area. We have people here from different backgrounds, different countries, different levels in their career, and that diversity is powerful. Mutual respect is non-negotiable, kindness is non-negotiable, and support is also non-negotiable. In the movie theatre, we have the branded salon who will customise your merch that you've already bought, or you can buy your own with your own salon logo on, names on, anything like that. So expectations of the week ahead, especially during class, is be on time, be open, be coachable, ask questions, take notes, and collaborate with each other. Share each other's social media, get to know each other. The bonding that you are going to have this week is going to be incredible. Let it happen naturally. I just want to say we have the most amazing team. I've already introduced Ronald, but look at the back, all eyes on them. So you've got my 17-year-old daughter, Cass. You've got Jake Wild. You've got Nick. You've got Faith. And then we've got Adam Wild. Without having a team and support like this, that these guys give me, this would not have happened. Especially Vanessa, who isn't here. Vanessa's done a lot of work behind the scenes. She is back in the UK, running the warehouse, running the staff, and keeping everything running that side. I know that we're all really excited, but we also need to rest, so we are fully ready for the day ahead. Thank you for watching the Nail Mansion episodes. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and all that shebang. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra, duck!